To this video. Now, in our previous video we talked about going to Facebook, getting the numbers of a lot of suppliers, and then saving the numbers and message them on WhatsApp. So I did that. I did my research. I saw the clothes that I liked and wanted to buy, and then saved the supplier's number, and then I messaged them. So let's dive in. Now, I messaged this supplier yesterday and I was like, "Good day, Sama. I'm Abbey from Nigeria. I saw your post on Facebook. You sell t shirts and I would love to make an inquiry." So I sent him the photo of the clothes that I saw on Facebook where he or she posted. And I was like, "Do you have this clothes in stock?" And then I sent them this vital question, these questions. Don't forget about these questions. Write them somewhere. These are the vital questions I always talk about. Write them somewhere so that when you are chatting with your supplier, you don't forget. You don't forget. So I asked, how much is it? Then what is the GSM? What is your MOQ? How many are in a blister? What is the ratio? What is the sizing you use? Is it European size? And he replied, he said the price is 490 taka, the GSM is 220 GSM, that's it's a medium weight cloth. Then the MOQ, he said the MOQ is 48 pieces. Then he said the clothes have four different types of colors. Then he sent me the ratio and he sent me the size. So he now said the clothes comes in 12 pieces in a blister, and in that blister there are 12 clothes inside. So for size M I will be getting two two of that cloth. Then for size XSL I'll be getting two of that cloth. Then for the other sizes I'll be getting four. I was not like, is it European sizing? Is it European sizing? And he replied, yes, it is European sizing. And he sent me the full colors of all the clothes. So these are the pictures. They have the reds, blue, bluish kind of color, white, black. And from this picture, you can tell that this clothes is a quality cloth. It's very beautiful, and it was the material used to make it is a quality material. So I was now like asking him, is this 490 taka? Is it your final price? Can I see some videos? And how many do you have in stock? He said yes, it is final price. For the videos, he said sorry. And how many do you have in stock? He said they have 300 pieces in stock. I said okay. Why are you saying sorry? He said video not available. I said okay. Then I was not like, if I want to buy 200 pieces, won't you reduce the price? He now said you can come and check quality. So he's trying to say that the price is non negotiable because of the quality. And I asked him, where's your warehouse or factory so I can inform my agents. Then he sent me his address, ground floor, house 42 road 7, sector 9, Uttara, Dhaka, Bangladesh. And my name is Alami. And I said, okay, I will get back to you. Then I went and I chatted with the agents that is going to help us make the payments directly to the supplier. I was like, good day, sir. I'm Abbey from Nigeria. I want to buy clothes from Bangladesh and I would love to use your service. Please, what is the current rate of Taka to Naira? Then, what is the shipping rate for both air and sea shipping? I'm already talking to some suppliers. Then, what address should I give them? So, he sent me his address. This is his address where the supplier or the manufacturer will deliver the goods to as soon as I pay. Then, for the Taka to Naira, he said Taka to Naira is 13.2. Then the freight is $5 per kg. Then clearing is 1,000 naira. And I said okay. Then apart from that supplier, I chatted another supplier. I chatted this guy. They sell cargo pants and the one I saw on Facebook, they said it has finished, they don't have it again in stock. Then he showed me this one that they have available, that is available, and he said this one, they have the GSM is 260, there is 8 in a blister, the ratio is 2 is to 2 is to 2. Then he said the size is Asian size. I've been telling you about this Asian size and European size. And I said, but if I want European size, he will make it available. So if you don't want to stress yourself too much about this Asian sizing, just make sure that it is European. Just ask for European sizing, not to stress yourself too much on this. Then I also chatted with this guy, but these people, they have not replied. They didn't reply early. So this is the cloth I saw. Okay, I saw a lot of clothes on Facebook and I messaged them, and then they sent me like pictures of the clothes they have, the different designs they had. So this is the one I like this one, for they say it's 400 taka. Then I also like this one as well, and I've sent them this vital question: what is the GSM, what is your MOQ, how many are in a blister, what is the ratio, what sizing is European sizing. So definitely when they reply to me, I'll negotiate with them further. Then for this for this taka, then the freight and clearing fee, I'm going to make a video whereby I'm going to explain everything in details, so that before you import, you are supposed to know how much you are going to be buying one clothes from the Bangladesh, then how much you are going to be buying a full blister, and how much is it going to cost you for you to ship it down to Nigeria. So you will be able to calculate all these things, and then how much will be your profit margin when you buy them and bring it down to Nigeria. So how much will you be getting for one, how much will be your profit for one clothes, and how much will be your total profit for one clothes. So I'll do a video where I'll calculate this and explain it in details, so that you will know if it's wise to buy this particular clothes, or if you go for another clothes, how to do the maths. you know the maths, you need to make profit from this business, so you need to be able to do the maths correctly. So I'll make a detailed video on how to calculate this, and I will see you in the next video.